Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 4 Hand-on Access to Simulation Exam. So if you want to complete my MylTLab course Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. So total question is 5 and with the cell A3 selected, create the table from existing data, accept the default setting. So select the A3 and insert the table. So go to the insert tabs and go to the table groups and click the table. So create the table and click OK. Next is on the table designs in the property groups, click in the table name box and type the download aquarium and then press enter. So go to the table design tabs and click the table name. So table name is download download emporium and press enter. So question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is delete the writer table column from the table only and do not delete the column E. So delete the writer tables column. So delete the writer column table only. So select the writer column E and go to the home tabs and go to the cell groups and click the delete the table column E. And next is type the donation in cell H3. So type the donation in cell H3. So select the H3 and type the donation and press enter. Next is type the profit in cell I3. So select the I3 and type the profit and press enter. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is add the new table row on row 30. Add the new table row on row 30. So select the row 13, right click and click the insert the new row. And next is type a pi in the sky in cell A13 and type the PG in cell B13. Press tab and so type the A13 pi in the sky and press tab button. And next is B13, type the PG and press tab button. Next is type the garbage man in cell A59 and type the R in cell B59, press tab button. So go to the A59 cells and type the garbage man and press tab. And next is B59 is type R and press tab button. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is remove the duplicate record in the table and accept the default setting in the remove the duplicate row. So select the tables and go to the table design tabs and go to the tool groups and click the remove duplicate records and click OK. So question number 4 is complete. 2 duplicate value found and remove the 54 unique value and click OK. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is apply the red table style medium 10 third style on the second row medium section to the table. So apply the red table styles and click the table style is the red table style medium 10. Sorry, and red table style medium 10. So red table style median 10 and click OK. So question number 5 is complete. So assignment is done and please click OK to submit the assignments and click OK. So check the score is Excel chapter 4 on exercise 2 simulation exam. Excel chapter 4 on exercise 2 simulation exam is 100%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.